can probably play six-stroke rolls quite well. But if you really want to master them, then I suggest learning how to play your feet with every single note of the 16th note. Why are we talking about 16th notes? Because it does actually fit within a 16th note count. We're now just making everything tripletized / swung. Allow me to explain. So first of all, six-stroke roll, if you don't know, is right, left, left, right, right, left, accenting the single strokes at either end, played as sextuplet. And the way the 16th note count actually fits within that is 1 E and ah. Bit weird, I know. 1 E and ah, but notice how that count is actually swung. 1 E and ah, because it does actually fit with the notes within the six-stroke roll. So you're going to play a bar first of all with the downbeat. So that is with that first right accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can do it, try and have the left foot staying on the pulse while we do this. So the first time around, both will fall together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the E will fall on the second left up here. So 1 and 2. And feels weird, I know, but it's so worth it. So on and so forth, going through to the and. This one throws me off because it just makes my count spin all over the place. This one will fall with this right here, the first one of the right double. And then lastly, the ah. And this will fall with that last left accent that happens. Not here, over here. Get each permutation down, each placement down, before you try and string them all together, because otherwise your brain is going to melt. And you have to go as fast as your body can go, not your brain. Your brain can understand this much quicker than your body will, so take it mega slow and try and count out loud. That's the really hard bit, so we like a challenge. Stick it all together, and we get this. Good stuff. Brain is melting, and I hope yours is too. Have a good day. Mwah.